Imagine getting paid not for your labor but simply for being an owner. Just for owning a piece of a company, a share in its success, a claim on its profits. It's the beauty of dividends. And that paycheck grows every year, automatically, like clockwork. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your income is increasing without you having to lift a finger. What if you could build a portfolio of stocks, carefully selected and strategically positioned, that not only grow in value, appreciating over time and building long-term wealth, but also hand you a steady, rising stream of cash for life? A reliable income stream that supplements your salary or funds your retirement. That's the power of dividend growth investing. It's a strategy focused on long-term wealth creation through consistent income and capital appreciation. Today, I'm revealing two titans of industry, companies that have proven their ability to generate consistent returns and reward their shareholders. One, a global leader in alternative asset management, with a diverse portfolio of investments across various sectors, and the other, a diversified powerhouse, a true corporate empire with holdings that span the globe. Investing in the backbone of our modern world, the essential infrastructure that keeps our society running smoothly. These companies are masters, true experts in their respective fields, at generating wealth for their shareholders, consistently delivering strong returns and increasing dividend payouts. One dominates private equity, real estate, and credit, giving it a unique advantage in the market, giving you access to the world's most exclusive deals, opportunities that are typically reserved for institutional investors. The other is a global giant in infrastructure, with a portfolio of assets that spans continents, owning everything from renewable power plants contributing to a sustainable future to critical real estate, the essential properties that underpin our economy. These aren't speculative bets, high-risk gambles that could disappear overnight. They're foundational investments, the bedrock of a well-diversified and resilient portfolio, built to withstand market cycles, economic downturns, and unexpected events, and reward long-term investors, those who are patient and disciplined enough to stay the course. If you're serious about building lasting wealth, creating a secure financial future for yourself and your family, you can't afford to miss this. This is an opportunity to learn about two exceptional companies that could significantly enhance your portfolio. Forget meme stocks, the fleeting trends that capture headlines but rarely deliver long-term value. And get-rich-quick schemes, the empty promises that often lead to disappointment and financial loss. We're diving into two blue-chip dividend growth machines, companies with a proven track record of success and a commitment to rewarding their shareholders. That could anchor your portfolio for decades, providing a stable foundation for your long-term financial goals. Hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Alright, let's dive right in and kick off with our first pick. We're going to be looking at a company that I believe is a cornerstone for any serious long-term investor's portfolio. This isn't just another stock. It's a play on the future of finance and wealth management. So buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of this financial giant, Blackstone ticker symbol BX. Just the name itself carries weight in the financial world. It's a name synonymous with power, influence, and most importantly, returns. You'll find them listed on the stock exchange under the ticker symbol BX. Keep an eye on that ticker, because it represents more than just a stock. It represents a diversified portfolio of some of the most sought-after assets in the world. Blackstone is a financial behemoth, a titan in the world of alternative investments. They're not your typical investment firm. They operate on a different scale with a different level of sophistication, and that's precisely why every serious investor should know about them. Understanding Blackstone is understanding a significant piece of the modern financial landscape. It's about understanding where the smart money is flowing and why. Blackstone isn't just a national player, it's the world's largest alternative asset manager. They are the undisputed king of alternative assets, managing investments that go beyond traditional stocks and bonds. And when I say large, I mean truly massive, with over $1 trillion in assets under management. That's a staggering figure, putting them in a league of their own. It's a testament to their expertise, their track record, and the trust that the world's largest institutions place in them. They invest in a diverse range of asset classes, including real estate, private equity credit, and hedge fund solutions. They're involved in virtually every corner of the alternative investment world. These are assets usually reserved for the ultra-wealthy, the kinds of investments that are typically out of reach for the average investor. But by owning Blackstone, you're tapping into a portfolio of exclusive, diversified investments. You're essentially getting access to the same investment opportunities as some of the largest and most sophisticated institutions in the world. Their business model is simple but powerful. It's built on generating steady management fees from assets under management, and perhaps even more importantly, lucrative performance fees when investments do well. This creates a powerful incentive for Blackstone to deliver strong returns for their clients because their own profits are directly tied to their performance. As their AUM grows, so do their recurring revenues, and ultimately, their dividends. This creates a virtuous cycle of growth and profitability. Now, it's important to understand that Blackstone's dividend policy is variable, meaning payouts can fluctuate, but over time, they've delivered impressive dividend growth. Don't get caught up in the short-term fluctuations. Focus on the long-term trend. When Blackstone has a strong quarter, shareholders directly benefit. It's a direct reflection of their success. The world's wealthiest institutions are pouring more money into private equity and real estate, and Blackstone is their top destination. They are the go-to firm for institutions looking to deploy capital in alternative assets. This trend is only accelerating, fueling Blackstone's growth. As more and more capital flows into alternative investments, Blackstone is perfectly positioned to capture a significant share of that growth. Their brand is a massive competitive advantage. Reputation and track record attract the best deals and talent. The best and brightest in the financial world want to work at Blackstone, and the most attractive investment opportunities are often presented to them first. Blackstone's real estate portfolio is vast, from logistics warehouses to premier office buildings, and they actively improve and sell properties for profit. They're not just passive investors, they're active managers who seek to maximize the value of their assets. Their hands-on approach creates value that flows back to shareholders. This active management style is a key differentiator for Blackstone. Financially, Blackstone is rock solid, with disciplined leverage and an investment-grade credit rating. This financial strength provides them with the flexibility to navigate market downturns and capitalize on opportunities. In downturns, they buy assets at bargain prices, setting up future profits. This counter-cyclical investment strategy is a hallmark of their success. The management team, led by Stephen Schwarzman, is legendary and deeply invested in the company's success. Their leadership is a key reason why Blackstone has been so successful over the years. Blackstone is expanding into new areas, like insurance solutions and the digital economy, funding everything from data centers to software. They are constantly evolving and adapting to the changing landscape of the global economy. Their forward-thinking approach keeps them ahead of the curve. They're not afraid to embrace new technologies and explore new investment opportunities. The transition to a corporation made Blackstone eligible for major indexes, opening the door to more investors and index funds. This was a game-changing move that significantly increased the demand for their stock. This structural change boosts demand for the stock and makes it more accessible. It's a win-win for both the company and its shareholders. With a market capitalization of $106.45 billion, the firm generated $12.66 billion in revenue and posted a net income of $2.78 billion in 2024. Earnings per share landed at $3.32, giving it a price-to-earnings ratio of 41.55. While that valuation may seem lofty, it reflects the premium placed on Blackstone's consistent track record and scale in private equity, real estate, credit, and infrastructure investments. The company also rewards shareholders with a dividend yield of 2.94%, adding an income component to its long-term growth potential. What's especially notable is its current share price of $137.93, trading nearly 96% below its estimated fair value of $270.81, highlighting a possible opportunity for value-seeking investors. Despite its dominance, Blackstone often trades at reasonable valuations, especially considering its growth prospects. This makes it an even more attractive investment opportunity. The market sometimes overreacts to variable performance fees, creating buying opportunities for patient investors. These short-term dips can be excellent entry points for long-term investors. You're getting a best-in-class company with a compelling total return, dividend yield, plus capital appreciation. It's a powerful combination that can generate significant wealth over time. Reinvesting those dividends can supercharge your long-term returns. The power of compounding should not be underestimated. Blackstone's business model is built for the future. Demand for sophisticated asset management is only growing. As the world becomes more complex, the need for expert asset management will only increase. As long as wealth is created, there will be a need for Blackstone to manage and grow it. They are an essential part of the global financial ecosystem. In summary, Blackstone offers a dominant market position, a powerful brand, brilliant management, and a commitment to shareholders. These are the key ingredients for long-term success. It's a unique way to participate in global economic growth. You're not just investing in a company, you're investing in the future of the global economy. That's why Blackstone is my first pick for a dividend growth stock to buy and hold forever. It's a company that I believe has the potential to generate significant wealth for its shareholders over the long term. It's a cornerstone asset for any serious long-term investor. It's a company that you can confidently hold for decades to come, knowing that you're invested in a well-managed, financially strong and forward-thinking organization. Our second forever stock, a company that embodies long-term value and consistent growth, is Brookfield Corporation, ticker symbol BN. We're diving deep into why this Canadian powerhouse deserves a spot in your portfolio, especially if you're focused on building a reliable stream of dividend income for years to come. This isn't just about picking a stock, it's about partnering with a global leader in real asset management. You'll find them listed with the ticker BN. Keep an eye on that ticker as we discuss the company's performance and future prospects. Brookfield is a Canadian giant and a must-have for any serious investor looking for stability and growth in their dividend portfolio. They represent the best of Canadian business acumen on a global stage. It's a foundational holding for any long-term dividend growth portfolio, providing a blend of income and capital appreciation potential. Think of it as the bedrock upon which you can build a diversified and resilient investment strategy. If Blackstone is often considered the king of financial assets, dominating the world of private equity and credit, then Brookfield reigns supreme as the king of real assets. They are the go-to name when it comes to investing in tangible, long-lasting infrastructure and property. They own and operate the infrastructure powering our daily lives, the essential services we rely on without even realizing it. From the electricity that lights our homes to the roads we drive on, Brookfield is likely involved. Brookfield is not just a player, it's one of the world's largest alternative asset managers, a true global leader in its field. Their scale and expertise are unmatched. Their primary focus is on real estate, encompassing everything from iconic office towers to sprawling commercial complexes. They have a knack for identifying and maximizing the value of properties. They also heavily invest in infrastructure, the backbone of modern economies. This includes essential assets like transportation networks and utilities. And they are at the forefront of renewable power, owning and operating a vast portfolio of wind, solar, and hydroelectric facilities. They are committed to a sustainable future. Their diverse portfolio includes toll roads, generating consistent revenue from the flow of traffic. They also own and manage ports, vital hubs for global trade and commerce. Their assets include pipelines, essential for transporting energy resources across continents. They are also heavily invested in data centers, the infrastructure that powers the digital world, and of course, wind farms, harnessing the power of nature to generate clean electricity. Brookfield owns and manages iconic properties worldwide, landmarks that define city skylines and attract tenants from around the globe. These are not just buildings, they are symbols of prestige and success. These assets are characterized by high barriers to entry, meaning it's difficult for competitors to replicate what Brookfield has built. This creates a competitive advantage and protects their investments. They generate stable cash flows, providing a predictable stream of revenue that supports their dividend payouts and future investments. And their long-term contracts are often inflation-protected, meaning their revenues adjust upwards with rising prices, safeguarding their profitability. Brookfield's business model is twofold, creating a powerful engine for growth and value creation. First, they manage nearly $900 billion in assets for clients around the world. making them one of the largest and most respected asset managers globally. This scale provides significant advantages. From this, they earn steady fees, a reliable income stream that fuels their operations and supports their dividend. Second, they invest $150 billion of their own capital, aligning their interests with those of their clients and shareholders. This skin in the game is a crucial element of their success. They invest alongside clients, ensuring that everyone benefits from their expertise and investment decisions. This partnership approach fosters trust and collaboration. This alignment means management's interests are directly tied to the success of the company and the returns generated for shareholders. They are incentivized to make smart long-term decisions. Ultimately, their success is your success, as their interests are closely aligned with those of all shareholders. Their dividend growth is backed by the reliable cash flows generated from their diverse portfolio of essential assets. These essential assets are the foundation of their business, providing consistent and predictable returns. Their dividend is not just a number, it's a symbol of their commitment to returning value to shareholders. It's steady, predictable, allowing you to plan your finances with confidence, and growing, increasing your income stream over time. This combination of stability and growth makes it perfect for compounding wealth over the long term. It's a recipe for financial success. By owning shares of Brookfield Corporation, you're not just investing in a single company. You gain exposure to all their listed affiliates, a diverse collection of businesses operating in various sectors. This provides you with a globally diversified portfolio, spreading your risk across different regions and industries. This diversification across geographies helps to mitigate risk and capitalize on growth opportunities around the world. And the diversification across asset classes further enhances stability and reduces volatility in your portfolio. This broad diversification provides stability and significantly reduces risk compared to investing in a single sector or company. It's a more prudent and balanced approach. Brookfield is not just participating in these sectors, they are a key player, often a leader, in the ongoing infrastructure modernization efforts around the globe. They are shaping the future of infrastructure. This represents a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity, as aging infrastructure needs to be upgraded and new infrastructure is required to support growing populations and economies. This is further fueled as governments increasingly seek private partners to finance and manage these essential infrastructure projects. And in the rapidly growing renewables sector, they're one of the world's largest owners and operators of renewable energy assets, positioning them for significant growth in the years to come. They are perfectly positioned to benefit from the global shift towards cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. This commitment to clean energy makes them a responsible and forward-thinking investment. Their real estate holdings are not just ordinary properties, they focus on trophy assets, the most prestigious and sought-after buildings in the world. These are located in major cities, the economic and cultural hubs of the world, and they excel at redeveloping underperforming properties, transforming them into valuable assets and generating significant returns. Brookfield's financial strength is unmatched in the industry, providing them with the resources and flexibility to pursue attractive investment opportunities. They maintain a fortress balance sheet, a testament to their prudent financial management and risk aversion. They are known for their disciplined capital allocation, carefully evaluating each investment opportunity to ensure it meets their strict return criteria. They have the ability to source capital at a low cost, giving them a significant advantage over their competitors. They then deploy this capital into high-quality, high-return assets, maximizing the value they create for their shareholders. CEO Bruce Flatt is widely renowned and respected in the investment community. He is known for his long-term, value-driven approach to investing, focusing on acquiring and developing high-quality assets that generate sustainable returns. Many consider him the Warren Buffett of infrastructure, a testament to his investment acumen and long-term vision. Brookfield often trades at a discount to its intrinsic value, presenting an attractive entry point for investors. This means that the market may be undervaluing the company's assets and future earnings potential. This discount provides investors with a margin of safety, protecting them from potential downside risk. Their overall strategy is a compounding machine, generating consistent returns and reinvesting them to fuel further growth. This is driven by stable cash flow, growing management fees from their asset management business, and the continuous reinvestment of capital into new and attractive opportunities. Over the course of decades, this disciplined approach has delivered exceptional results. This has led to impressive 15–20% annualized returns for shareholders, consistently outperforming the market. These returns demonstrate the power of their strategy and the value they create for shareholders. With a market cap of $89.05 billion, Brookfield posted a massive $86.01 billion in revenue in 2024. However, its bottom line tells a different story. Net income came in at $641 million, with earnings per share at just 43 cents. That translates to a much higher price-to-earnings ratio of 137.70, indicating that investors are betting heavily on future earnings growth. Brookfield's dividend yield is a modest 0.57%, but its exposure to infrastructure, renewable energy, real estate, and private equity gives it broad diversification and long-term relevance. The stock is currently trading at $59.21, over 81% below its estimated fair value of $107.57, suggesting it may be undervalued relative to its underlying assets and global footprint. Brookfield's counter-cyclical approach to investing is a key differentiator. They excel at buying when others are fearful, acquiring high-quality assets at discounted prices during market downturns. This contrarian strategy creates significant long-term value for their shareholders. Their assets are a natural inflation hedge, providing protection against rising prices. This is because their revenues are often contractually linked directly to inflation, ensuring that their income keeps pace with rising costs. In summary, Brookfield Corporation combines world-class asset management expertise with premier real assets, creating a powerful combination for long-term success. As an investor, you get a growing dividend, providing a reliable income stream that increases over time. You also gain exposure to massive growth trends, including infrastructure modernization and the transition to renewable energy. And you are entrusting your capital to a management team second to none, led by the visionary Bruce Flatt. It's a resilient, diversified company, built to withstand economic cycles and generate consistent returns. It's a company built to thrive for decades, making it an ideal long-term investment. Brookfield Corporation is a true cornerstone for any dividend growth investor, offering a unique combination of stability, growth, and income. It's a company you can confidently hold for the long haul. There you have it, two powerhouses, Blackstone and Brookfield Corporation. These aren't just stocks, they're stakes in two of the most dominant investment firms on the planet. Both Blackstone and Brookfield offer investors a window into the world of large-scale, diversified asset management. Blackstone brings strong profitability and steady income potential, while Brookfield leans into massive top-line revenue and long-term strategic bets across the global economy. For investors looking to gain exposure to the infrastructure and private equity engines driving future growth, both companies offer compelling, though very different paths forward. Focus on companies with durable advantages and growing dividends to build a portfolio that generates passive income and long-term growth. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the StocksGalore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/StocksGalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.